Okay, we're getting some work done in the backyard, and I want to show you how they're chopping this tree down. Look at that. I'm so happy. The tree is coming down. It's coming down piece by piece. I'm gonna let them finish. I'm going in. These mosquitoes are monsters. Now this is what I was left with. These branches piled up as high as a mountain. Now the workers were from the city, from Centerpoint. They cut the branches down. Then they told me, oh, we're not going to move them. So now the next step is to find somebody to get all these branches out of my backyard, right? Yeah, and everybody who's doing it now has tripled and quadrupled their prices because there's so many people out needing branches and trees removed. So on to the next step, tree removal. Okay guys, some of the work is done. The branches are up. They still have to get the leaves up. And they started cutting on the tree, but I think they're gonna need another chainsaw. Right now, they are bringing the branches from the backyard, and I'm glad that is gone. So I'm gonna go around and let you see the back. Okay, first they're cutting up the long ones in half and dragging them to the front. So one guy's already taking a branch up front, and the older gentleman is cutting them up. I'm so grateful that they're going to get all this out of here, and I'll have some of my backyard back, and I can put those new mosquito things that my husband purchased so we can enjoy the patio more. This is what, step 2 of getting it all cleaned away. I'm so glad. Okay guys, the tree, I missed them cutting the tree, but that's the only piece that's left laying out there in the yard. They have the rest of the tree cut and on the back of that truck. See that truck? The rest of the tree is on there. Now they're cleaning up leaves and doing the last of it, and they're almost finished with this whole entire yard. And I'm so happy that this tree has been cut. Now this is how the backyard looked after they got all the branches out, but they still need to come back and get up the leaves. He's starting with the blower, so I'm going to stop so you can see what it looks like when he finished finally blowing up all the leaves. Okay y'all, they have cleaned up all of it out here. I can see my backyard. Even though I do need to clean the brick back here, that stone, but there are no leaves, no branches. They did a wonderful job here in the back. Now we're going to walk around to the front. They cleaned up behind themselves, going up the sidewalk to take everything out, even though the gate is broke. Now, here we are in the front, and pleased to say that the leaves out front are gone. Look at that. They're not over there killing my grass anymore. Hopefully the grass will grow back soon. I think this yard was cut today. And then the tree here, I had them cut it off, but he didn't cut off enough, I see. But I'm gonna have to get out here with a shovel and get somebody out here to break this dirt up and fill the hole back up, and we'll deal with that. But that's how that looks right now. But cleanup has started. I'm really pleased that this stuff is done. So let me know what you think of the cleanup and all the disaster, and I will catch you in the next episode.